What's up guys? Today we've got our Nuna RAVA car seat and we're going to see how well it fits into the back seat of our 2017 Honda Fit. So for comparison, we've got our Chico KeyFit 30 infant car seat on the driver's side, so we can see the space that takes up versus our Nuna RAVA. And for this test, we're going to be looking at the rear install configurations because that's going to be what's going to take up more space. Alright, so right now I've got my driver's side car seat positioned to where I like it. I'm about 5'10", and the passenger car seat positioned to match the driver's car seat as close as possible. And we can see with both car seats, we still have quite a bit of room. On the Nuna side, it's a little bit better. So we have about 3.5 to 4 inches of additional space here. And for reference, on the Chico side, and I'm estimating it's more like 2.5 to 3 inches clearance we have here. Now the infant car seat does sit lower than the Nuna. I've got the seats pretty upright, so it doesn't make a big difference, but it's possible that I could recline the seat slightly further with the Chico rather than the Nuna. Now let's see how far back with the front seat I can go with the Nuna. With the Chico, I could not put the front seat all the way back. With the Nuna, there's so much space, I think I might be able to. So the passenger seat is all the way back, and we've still got the clearance to spare, like probably 2 inches. I could even further recline the front seat a little bit and I'd still probably be okay. So this is truly a lot of space with the Nuna in the Honda Fit. Now, this Nuna RAVA seat does have some adjustments. Right now I've got it in the most reclined position to match the infant car seat the closest. Let's see what happens if I recline the seat less. So there's 5 positions, and each position is only a slight difference, but if I go all the way to position 5, you can see it looks more upright. And now I've further cleared more room here. So like this, with this amount of room, I mean, I think I could practically take a nap in the front seat with no problem. Now, this is kind of close, but I think there's still about 1 inch of clearance, and I am lounging here. Okay, finally the RAVA does have a leg extender to make it a little bit longer, and my daughter's currently just under 2 years old, so we haven't used that yet. But if you want to keep your kid rear facing when they're 2 to 3 years old or so, that can be helpful. So let's see how much space we have when we pop out that extender. And now I've put the passenger seat back to match where I have the driver's seat, and you can see a lot less space, probably about 1.5 inches, so perhaps you don't want to go back much further. Now remember, with the seat at this position, I can still sit reasonably comfortably at 5'10". But if you have a bigger toddler, you might want to try the seat a little more upright to give yourself a little bit more room. Let's just say we put it most upright to 5. And again, we have a good amount of room here now to either recline the seat back or slide the whole seat. Now, the final thing you might be wondering, because the Fit is a very narrow car, can we recline the wider side of the 60/40 rear folding seats? And the answer is yes, as long as we push in our cup holder. We actually do just barely have enough room here to recline that seat. Now, do we have enough room to seat 2 people back there with the car seat? I'll let you guys make the judgment, but I'll say that middle position looks pretty crammed. Don't think it would be that comfortable. So in conclusion, as you may have guessed, the Fit is really great for any car seat in the back seat. It really has a phenomenal amount of legroom for a subcompact. And the Nuna RAVA in particular, and probably most convertible car seats with the adjustability, it really doesn't take that much room, less than the infant car seat. We could probably make this work in a car even smaller with less legroom. So if this video helped you, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.